welcome back to my channel, and I'm at it again with another video. And as you can see from the title, I am going to unbox the Bretman Rock versus times Colourpop collection. I think it's the Lit and Wet collection, and I'm actually very excited because a close friend of mine, she's a huge fan, and I know she's gonna like this collection, and I knew I'm gonna like this collection, so I wanted to share with you guys. I know I've done so many unboxings the past few weeks or the past week, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. But yeah, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. Like this video, comment down below what your favorite item is after you watch this video, or let's get into the video. Alright guys, so he did come out with 8 items in 8 different things in this collection, or no, not 8 different things, 8 items in this collection, and I can't wait to show you. Let's go ahead and start with the 2 palettes that he came out with. He came out with the Wet, and he came out with the Lit. So we have the Lit, which is the reddish, and then the blue is the Wet collection. And this is what the Wet palette looks like, and let me show you. See, I already put my finger in there. These colors are absolutely amazing. I have already swatched these, and if you guys want swatches of these, I'll try to get them in the video, but it's just hard. But I really like this palette. The pigment on these are absolutely amazing. But that is the Wet, and this is like a silver, and then this is very glittery. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's so pretty. And then this is the Lit palette, and it's more like a fiery vibe and stuff. So this is a great palette also. I really enjoy it. It reminds me of Christmas, and I love Christmas. So this is very pretty palette. And the next thing that he came out with was these glitter body glitters, which is, they come in these little boxes. This is what the packaging looks like, and is glitterly obsessed is what. So we have OMG I'm Wet, which is this one, and they're a pretty good size. Like, I was surprised. I thought I was gonna get a little paint pot, but these are pretty big. And then we have She Is Lit, which is this red glitter, and these are absolutely amazing. And the formula, so they come with this, and the formula is something I've never seen before, which is like you touch it and it's like a gel. So I'm probably late to the game, but you know, what's new? So these are the She's Lit and the OMG I'm Wet. And the name of these shades crack me up. Okay, and the next he came out with Super Shock Super Shock Cheek, and clearly that's a tongue twister. And these are blushes. Yeah, these are blushes. So this one is Oh She's Blushing, and then this one is Oh Stop It. Oh no, it's not Oh Stop It, it's Stop It. Okay. The formula on this is also incredible, and this is pretty big too. And it's like when you feel it, when you go in there and swatch it, there's like a wet, it feels wet, and then when you like put it on, it's dry. So they're really pretty. These are very bold colors for me as a blush, because I have blush on, but it's very subtle. It's nothing crazy, but I am going to try to use these. They're just very bold for me. But pretty good size of these. I'm shocked because they're super shock cheap. All right, okay, so the last items of the collection are the little lip bundles, which is the lit and of course the wet collection. And so in the lit, it comes the lip liner in shade, hold on. So in the bundle comes the lip liner in, it's called Dukes. So this is what it's called. The Ultra Gloss is called I See You. And the Ultra Satin Lip is Wig. So look at this color, it's so nice. I can't wait to use this bundle. The lip bundle, which is these. Look at this. That Ultra Gloss is crazy. These lip liners are so smooth. And then for the lip bundle in the wet side, the lip liner in shade BFF3, and we have the Ultra Satin Lip in shade She Cute, and the Ultra Gloss Lip is Come What. Look at this blue, it's so pretty. I can't wait to use this. Alright guys, so that was the whole collection of Bretman Rock and Colourpop, and I can't wait to use this collection. Yeah, I hope you guys like some of the items. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys already have this collection. If you do, what is your favorite item? And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright guys, thank you so much for your support, and I love you all. Bye guys.